If you find yourself stuck and you're trying to find a way to make extra money on the side, I'm sharing with you in this video 6 ways that you can bring in an extra $100, $500, $1,000 or more with the side hustles that allow you to scale up while keeping your day job. Now I gotta throw in a quick disclaimer. None of the side hustles that I'm gonna share with you in today's video have anything to do where you gotta pay money to do it. And also don't worry, of the 6 side hustles that I'm gonna share in this video today, none of them involves you clicking a link in the description to buy something from me. Kick back, get some popcorn, and let's make some money. We need to look at 3 different levels. I got 3 levels comprised of these 6 different side hustles. Now, based on your commitment, and that could be how much time you have available to do a side hustle, you can decide maybe starting off with level 1 and then scaling yourself up to level 3. And in each level, I will explain to you how much money I would expect you to earn if you stay consistent with doing this. So let's get started with level number 1, and that's what I call the free timer. These are the people that I only have time in my free time to side hustle, but I still want to make some more money. Maybe you have a very demanding job, and outside of your work hours, you really don't have a lot of time between sleeping and eating. So how do you make some extra money? Well, here are 2 side hustles that you can do if you're short on time, but want to make a couple dollars. Now, I would expect you to earn, with the right amount of consistency, anywhere from $50 to $150 a week with this particular side hustle level. So let's start with number 1, and that is usertesting.com. Now, on usertesting.com, you simply sign up for this service, and you can use their app or you can use your computer in your downtime. Let's say you're waiting on your favorite show to come on at the end of the night. Let's say you're waiting in the airport for your flight to take off. While you're bored, you could fill out or participate in one of these user tests and make an easy $10, $30, or $60. And it doesn't take any more than 10 to 60 minutes of your time per one test. So I've done this myself, and in 1 week I made $150. Here it is, proof in my PayPal account. It dumps right into that 7 days after you take the test. And that's what makes it super easy to use. Now, these are companies that are well known that are looking for people to come on and look at their prototypes. Maybe they're redesigning something and they need your input to let them know if they're on the right path or not. So all you have to do is literally just talk through what you see, what you experience, and your own opinion, and boom, you make some money. Now, I talked about user testing in another video. I will link that video in the description if you want to check out that video after this one. Now, you might say, well, that's still too much time. Okay, well, don't expect to make a ton of money, but there is an option that you can do. It's called Inbox Dollars. Now, Inbox Dollars allows you to watch short video clips as well as take short surveys, and as a result, you can earn some side hustle income. Now, I'm very picky when it comes down to these survey websites because a lot of them can be a little bit spammy and throw some extra things in there that I just think are not worth it, and I'd rather make a little bit of money instead of no money at all. So Inbox Dollars is a much more professional way to go in, look at some things, give your opinions, and make some income on the side. You can use their app, you can use their website, and you can get a free $5 simply just for starting today. I'll include a link to that in the description if you want to check that out as well. Now, level 2, this is where things get a little bit more serious. This means you are serious about really making some good side hustle income. And this is what I call my basic hustler. Maybe you're just starting off, but expect to make at least $150 to $500 a week with time and with consistency. Let's talk about the 2 that I have in level number 2. The very first one is photography. Now, hold on, before you click off the video, because you're like, well, I'm not a good photographer, what is this guy talking about? You don't have to have a fancy camera. You could just use your iPhone, but it's a trick on how you actually do it. So I'm going to give you a free tip. Hop over to shutterstock.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then under for contributors, look at where it says the shot list. Click on that. And every single month, Shutterstock updates what their most demanded requests are from the various companies and businesses that use their service. They need people to take photos so they can use it in marketing, promotions, and other things like that. And the best part is, when you first get started off, every digital download on demand that is from your account, you will earn $1.88. And then once you make $500, your rate actually increases to $2.48. So the key here, guys, is consistency. That is the secret a lot of side hustlers don't understand, and they end up giving up and not making a whole lot of money. But if you stay consistent with it, you could find yourself really scaling up. Now, the second side hustle for a basic hustler is a little bit more physical work, but it can be really a lot of fun. And that's actually called Amazon Flex. I love this side hustle because you can do it in your own time. You actually schedule yourself, and you are, yes, literally delivering Amazon products to the customers. You're like the prime person. You're in your own vehicle. Once you get approved for an account, you come onto the app and then you can load all of the different options and offers that they have. So let's take a look at this so I can walk you through how cool this actually is. So upcoming offers, I'm going to click on that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter to all of my different stations. So I'm going to hit show all other offers. And right here it is. It's actually today, as of the recording of this video here on 8/31, there's a 3-hour in Daytona Beach, Florida, very close to where I'm at, for $54. So I can make $54. And a lot of times, as you get more skilled at this, you can actually deliver the packages in a lot less time than 3 hours and boom, make a quick $54. I have somebody that's been doing this who felt like, hey, I could actually make $1,000 a week if I really truly focus on this every single night. Now, of course, this is a basic hustler responsibility, which means that you're taking time away every single night to do this. But sometimes they have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour blocks that you can sign up for. I think this is a really cool way to side hustle that's more than just your typical delivery driver. Like, let's say you want to deliver pizza. The thing with pizza though, is that company is going to expect you to work at a certain time, certain hours. This gives you the flexibility to schedule it on your own time based on what they have available. Now, this brings us to level number 3. This is our main hustler. This is the person that's ready to go all in. And if honestly, your goal is to replace your full-time income, you want to find ways to scale up, and scale up so that you have some serious money. Maybe you could just crush down debt, pay off the mortgage, pay off the high interest debt, build more investments, all that kind of exciting stuff that we talk here on the channel. This is level 3, guys. This is where it gets serious. Let's talk about it. The very first thing I recommend you do is use your talent. Now, let's say you're a graphic designer. Let's say you're learning how to use Photoshop better. Let's say you're just good at something. Go on to one of these gig websites. Now, on these gig websites, you can earn anywhere from $5 every time you do something up to tens of thousands of dollars based on what you do. And what's really cool, I love the people that share with me, hey, I made $20,000 last month alone just on my side gigs. That's huge. Now, they didn't get that overnight, so I want to put that disclaimer out there. You're not going to get $20,000 next month, but maybe you get like a couple dollars and then you scale up. And then maybe in the next 6 months, you start scaling up to making $5,000 a month, $8,000 a month. Consistency is your friend. But here are the websites. Go over to something like Solid Gigs, Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs. What you want to do is sign up to those sites and offer up your service today. The problem I see holding a lot of people back is that lack of confidence. But you'll be surprised, what you may think you're bad at actually ends up being a huge help to somebody who needs your skill. A second side hustle under the main hustler is becoming a tutor. And you don't need a teaching certification in order to do this. Check out these websites. You have a few of them: VIP Kid, EF Education First, and Q Kids. You can hop over there, and a lot of times, especially if you're able to teach English, and you don't need to know another language, but if you can teach English, $14 to $22 per hour from the comfort of your home. And that sounds pretty good because you also schedule your own time. This is not something that you have to do as a job. We want to avoid that job, you need to clock in and clock out to work type of thing. This is about your freedom of scheduling. That's what a side hustle is all about. And I'm going to throw in a bonus side hustle. And that is for those people that are still with me in this video. And I want to actually recognize you. What I'd like you to do is comment down below, and I just want you to put still here. And people that haven't made it this far won't get that. They'll be like, what's that mean? Just put it down below in a comment and I will personally respond to you. Even if it's like 10 years from now and we're still here on YouTube, I will personally respond to you and thank you for that. But here's the bonus one. I want you to find a way to really focus on what makes you unique. There's something that you're passionate about, right? And social media I see is taking off. And I'm not just saying right here on YouTube, I'm talking TikTok, Instagram, everything else. And you might be turning up your nose at that because there is some serious income to be made when it comes down to social media sharing. Now, think for a second what you're passionate about. What do you do well at? What's your job? You know, are you good at your job? Could you maybe apply some things that you learn over there and share it with other people? I know people that share how to repair cars on YouTube. I know people that talk about their vacations on cruise lines or at theme parks or personal finance, like on this channel. There are so many opportunities to share your passion with the world, and you can make some good money over time. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this is seriously a main hustler level 3 type of thing. This could even be level 4 because there's a lot of frustration in this business. I'll tell you, when I first started off, especially if we look just at my YouTube ads, I was making next to nothing. Now I'm making consistently anywhere from $100 to $600 a day, and that is because of my consistency, and I treat this like a full-time job. I kind of have like 3 full-time jobs right now, and I'm going absolutely insane. That's why I want you to comment still here, so I can feel a little bit more relieved, and I certainly would appreciate it. By the way, here's another video that can help you with even more side hustles. Here's the user testing video I talked about earlier in the video, and until next time, we'll see you on the next video.